Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install the DuckDuckGo web browser. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you didn't already know DuckDuckGo, have a web browser, and here's how you install it. So go ahead and go to any other web browser. So I'm here on Google Chrome. I'm going to then do a search for DuckDuckGo. And once you've made that search, you need to go to DuckDuckGo.com, so go ahead and click on the first one. Now you can use the DuckDuckGo search engine however you want. If you want to download the web browser though, go to this button here where it says Download Browser. That will take you to this page, and it should automatically start the installation wizard. If it doesn't start it, then go ahead and click here Try Downloading Again, and it will download it again manually. So go ahead and open up the installation wizard. And once you've done that, it's a very simple installer. You click Install. It will get it ready to install, and then it should just start installing right away. And now once it's installed, you can now start browsing and using the DuckDuckGo browser. So that's basically how you can connect, download, and install the DuckDuckGo web browser. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.